Figuring out e-wallet fees can feel like solving a puzzle, especially when you just want to move your money. We're diving into the fine print of GrabPay fund transfers. Here's the breakdown. If you're sending money from your GrabPay wallet to another person's GrabPay wallet, good news, that transfer is generally free. It's considered a person-to-person or P2P transfer within the same e-wallet system. The fees usually appear when you try to move funds out of your GrabPay wallet to a separate bank account or a different e-wallet. The exact fee depends heavily on your location. For example, in the Philippines, transferring money from your GrabPay wallet to a bank or another e-wallet via services like InstaPay typically incurs a flat fee, which is around PHP 15.00. In Singapore, GrabPay's system has two types of balances, transferable and non-transferable. Funds classified as transferable can often be cashed out to your bank account or PayNow account without a fee. However, funds topped up with a credit card may be considered non-transferable, meaning you can't cash them out and they can only be used for Grab services. So, the key takeaway? GrabPay to GrabPay usually free. GrabPay to a bank/other e-wallet a fee is likely, depending on your country and the transfer network used. Always check the final fee displayed in the Grab app before confirming any transfer. Navigating these wallet transfers is all about knowing your region's specific rules. Stay informed to keep your transfers cheap and your wallet happy.